Did you know that the wealth gap between the upper class and the middle class is widening faster than ever before? Since the 1980s, middle-class incomes have largely stagnated while living costs, especially housing and healthcare, have skyrocketed. In this video, uncovering why the middle class is falling behind and reveal actionable strategies to help you break free from the middle-class trap. Subscribe the Wealthy channel and let's quickly get started. Number 1. The money game has changed, have you? The rules of wealth building aren't the same as they were decades ago, but most people are still playing by an outdated playbook. If you think working hard, saving in a bank account, and waiting for retirement is the path to financial security, you're already losing. Inflation is eating away your savings, the job market is more unstable than ever, and relying on a single source of income is financial suicide. But what do most middle-class people do? They work endlessly, spend recklessly, and save inefficiently, only to find themselves trapped in a cycle of financial stress. Let me break it down with two real-life examples. Take Sarah, a corporate employee who followed the traditional path, got a degree, found a stable job, and saved diligently. But she never learned how to multiply her money, so when layoffs hit, she had no backup plan. Now meet Mike, who realized early that job security is an illusion. He studied investing, built multiple income streams, and leveraged the power of assets. Today, he earns more in passive income than his old salary. The difference? Sarah played by old rules. Mike adapted to new ones. Stop relying on a single paycheck. Start investing, create multiple income streams, and leverage opportunities instead of just working harder. Grant Cardone says, "You don't get rich by working more hours. You get rich by making money work for you." The middle-class trap is real, but only if you let it be. The rich evolve, the poor complain, and the middle class stays stuck. By adapting to economic shifts, you position yourself to build wealth sustainably, regardless of market fluctuations. Number 2. Money is a tool. Are you using it strategically? The wealthy invest first and spend what's left. The broke spend first and invest what's left, which is usually nothing. Most people treat money like a temporary guest, spending it as fast as it comes in, with no strategy, no plan, just blind consumption. They buy liabilities disguised as assets, new cars, latest gadgets, overpriced vacations, all to feel rich while staying broke. This is why so many middle-class earners struggle. They work hard but never make their money work for them. They're stuck in a loop of earning and spending, never building real wealth. Warren Buffett. He bought his first stock at 11, reinvested every dollar and let compounding do its magic. Use money as a tool, not a trap. The key difference between the middle class and the wealthy lies not just in income, but in how they deploy their money. Before buying anything, ask yourself, will this make me richer or just make me look rich? Invest in assets, create passive income, and control your spending. The middle class spends to impress. The wealthy spend to multiply. Number 3. Debt. Your greatest weapon or your worst enemy? Debt is not the problem. Your choices with debt are, the middle-class trap isn't just about how much you earn, it's about how much you owe. Most people use debt to finance their lifestyle. Meanwhile, the wealthy use debt strategically to buy income-generating assets, scale businesses, and build wealth. Robert Kiyosaki says in Rich Dad, Poor Dad, good debt puts money in your pocket, bad debt takes money out. But what do most people do? They bury themselves in bad debt and then wonder why they're stuck in financial quicksand. Elon Musk, he leveraged billions in business debt to build Tesla and SpaceX instead of wasting it on liabilities. Don't avoid debt, master it. Before taking a loan, ask, will this debt make me money or will it make me a slave? Use debt strategically to acquire assets that appreciate and generate cash flow, thereby expanding wealth without depleting personal capital. By mastering debt as a wealth-building tool, you unlock opportunities for sustainable financial growth and security. Number 4. If you don't learn about money, you'll work for those who did. We spend 12-16 years in school but never learn how to manage, grow, or multiply money. Graduate knowing the Pythagorean theorem but have no clue about credit scores, investing, or wealth building. And that's exactly why the middle-class trap exists. The system is designed to keep people working for money instead of making money work for them. The best investment you can make is in yourself. But what do most people do? They ignore financial education, rely on a single paycheck, and follow outdated advice, only to struggle their entire lives, trapped by debt, inflation, and financial insecurity. Ray Dalio, billionaire investor and founder of Bridgewater Associates, started learning about the stock market as a teenager. By the time he was 26, he had built a financial empire. Financial ignorance is a guaranteed way to stay broke. Instead of working harder, work smarter. Read books, listen to podcasts, and learn how money actually works. The middle class avoids financial education. The wealthy prioritize it. Number 5. Invest like the future depends on it. Most people invest with a short-term mindset, expecting quick returns, chasing hype stocks, or waiting for the perfect moment to invest, which never comes. This is why the middle class stays stuck. They save money in low-interest accounts, avoid risks, and never build real wealth. But the wealthy? They think long-term. They understand what the psychology of money teaches. Compounding is the most powerful force in finance, and time is your greatest asset. The biggest mistake? Thinking you need a lot of money to start investing. The truth? If you're not investing even a small amount today, you'll never have a large amount tomorrow. Don't wait. Start today. Diversify. Stocks, real estate, businesses. Invest like your future depends on it, because it does. The middle class waits for the right time to invest. The wealthy use time to their advantage. Number 6. Scarcity versus abundance mindset. Money isn't just about numbers. It's about mindset. The middle class often operates with a scarcity mindset, believing money is limited, that wealth is only for the lucky, and that financial success is beyond their reach. But the wealthy think differently. They operate with an abundance mindset, knowing that money is created, opportunities are limitless, and financial success is a result of strategy, not luck. Look at Daniel and Sophia. Daniel always thought, "I'll never be rich," so he never took risks or sought financial education. Sophia, on the other hand, believed wealth was attainable and took action, investing, networking, and starting a side hustle. Today, Daniel is still struggling, while Sophia is financially independent. Your mindset shapes your reality. Start thinking like the wealthy. See money as a tool, not a problem. The middle class sees obstacles. The wealthy see opportunities. To break free from the middle class trap and achieve financial freedom, start thinking and acting like the wealthy. Shift from solely earning money to making money work for you. Invest in assets that appreciate, manage debt strategically, prioritize financial education, and adopt forward-thinking investment strategies. By doing so, you'll not only secure your financial future, but also build a foundation for lasting wealth. I always create valuable videos just for those of you ready to take control of your wealth and live life on your own terms. If this resonates with you, hit like, subscribe the channel, and spread the word with your loved ones. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.